Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw Ethereum from Coinbase to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your crypto holdings or just move funds for better yields, this step-by-step tutorial will have you set up in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some Ethereum in it, and an Uphold account where you'll receive the funds. Remember, crypto transactions involve fees and can take time, so double-check your balances and network fees before proceeding. Step 1. Log into your Coinbase account. Head over to the dashboard and find your Ethereum wallet. It's usually under the Assets tab. Once you're there, click on the Send or Withdraw button, depending on the interface in 2025, but it should be intuitive. Next, in Step 2, you'll need to enter the recipient's address. Switch to your Uphold app or website, go to your Ethereum wallet, and copy the wallet address. This is crucial. Paste it carefully into the Coinbase send form to avoid any mix-ups. Always verify that you're using the correct network, like Ethereum's mainnet, to prevent errors. Moving on to Step 3. Specify the amount. Enter how much Ethereum you want to withdraw, but don't forget to account for gas fees. These can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that to avoid surprises. Review the transaction details one last time. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to authenticate with two-factor verification for security. Once approved, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it, typically 5 to 30 minutes, but it could take longer. A quick tip. In 2025, with potential updates to regulations, always stay informed about any new compliance requirements for cross-platform transfers. And if you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you withdraw Ethereum from Coinbase to Uphold. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.